Hello, thank you for watching Direct System Software's tutorials. Today we're going to have a quick overview of Storage Manager. Storage Manager allows you to bill what you do on a regular basis for storage in a bulk invoicing system. So when you come in here, the first thing you need to do is you need to set up your storage master files. And this is all of the storage lots that you have and work with. Within those records, you set up your invoicing as you want it to be monthly. So this person has $30 a month that is invoiced to them when the invoicing is run. And so everyone will be set up differently. You can set them up for quarterly or monthly or yearly. There's many different options. Then the normal process of going through Storage Manager is to go to Transactions. First thing you want to do is do pro forma storage billing. The reason for this is because once you do the processing, the next step, you cannot back it up. It is done. So here we give you the same exact screen as in the processing, but it allows you to go through your billing, print it out, make sure everything looks correct, check it with your warehouse manager, and then come back in, make any edits and changes, run pro forma again so that you're 100% sure, then you process your billing. And so here you would just choose the type of storage billing that you want to run. We're going to run monthly this time, and then select invoice date and run this month's storage from the 1st to the 30th. You can choose how it sets the output order for the invoices. We'll just leave it set to lot number. If you have finance charges for past due, then you would enter the date here and it would charge whatever past due finance charge you enter there as well. Then click on Begin. In my case, this is a test account, and so it's advising me that I did not run the past 6 months or more than 18 months worth of storage billing. So I've just clicked OK because that's all right. It's just a test system. And now we're going to go ahead and print this so that we can see what our billing looks like. So this is where it's come out. We can see that we've got this customer here who has a net charge of 200 and they're going to get billed 200. And we can scroll down and see this next person. We can see that they have outstanding unpaid balances. Oops. You can minimize, make it smaller too if you have good eyes. And so it gives you the history as well as what they are owed for this current month. So once you're happy with all the way that works, then you go ahead and close out of that. You go back to transactions and you process storage billing. Now, I'm not going to do that today just because it's the final step, if you know what I mean. Basically, it will bill exactly as I have set it to the pro forma because I haven't made any changes. And it's just the same way of filling out the fields, just like in the pro forma. So then you work top down, so it's pro forma first, process next. Then you want to print the invoices once you've actually processed them. And these are the invoices that I printed from the last time that I processed. And all you have to do is click on print, choose the format that you want to print from. Now this little box here, reprint invoices. If you want to be able to reprint the invoices, because let's say you might have a temperamental printer and there's a possible chance that it's going to have a problem midway, leave this box ticked for now. Then click on Begin, then choose your print setup, which is usually B, and number of copies. We only want to do 1, and Begin. And it runs through it, shows you what it's about to print, and then you can send it off to the printer there. And because we didn't untick that box, these invoices are blank screen. So then you decide, oh, I need to reprint one of those invoices because it didn't print out right or what have you. On one, that's not usually a problem. As you can see, we have a bunch of invoices in here to reprint. You just scroll down to the bottom and we'll just choose that one to reprint. It shows you it and you can click on print. So top to bottom, that's the way that you work through the storage billing. And then if you've got quarterly billing and you're billing ahead, so you're billing for April, May, June, and the first month's invoice will be posted immediately to April. The next 2 months need to sit somewhere until May and June happen. And so there is a deferred revenue account that you'll have set up in your system, and this money goes into that deferred revenue account. If you bill quarterly ahead and the person takes the storage out and you no longer need to have that those funds basically put into revenue for the next 2 months, you can go in and remove accruals. You just find the lot number, it shows you what's there, and then you click remove accrual. It's very, very straightforward. So I hope that's been helpful for you today. If you have any questions, please let us know. If you have any other videos you'd like to see, please let us know. Thank you and have a great day.